Hey everybody, welcome to Lady T's Things That Bling. And as you can see, I went to the Dollar Tree. And there's going to be a surprise in here for you. All right, vanilla wafers. Did I get those? Here's a roadside bingo game. I don't have any small children, so you know I didn't get that. Oh my goodness, they have the hanging shelves. Can you believe it? In Philadelphia? I wonder, did I get those? Hanging shelves. Oh, here's a little clipboard that you can use like at weddings or whatever you want to use it for. Did I get that? Little display easel. This is a different kind. I like it. I wonder, did I get that? Oh, yo. This is what you use for hanging your pictures. And these are different things to put in your hair. I just love the colors. I think they're so bright and cheerful. Look at these nails. Y'all know that's my color. Did I get that? Oh, look at these fingernail files. You get 3 in a pack. I wonder, did I get those? Those are cool. Oh, and here's some more designs. I wonder, did I get those? I know I need them. I wonder, did I get them? Look at those. Those are really cool. 3 for $1.25. Here's a single one. I really like these right here. And here's some more with different designs on them. I need those. Wonder, did I get them, though? These are for you to use to take off your acrylic nails. Here's some makeup brushes. A certain someone found them, and those colors are cute. There's 3 in the box. In the package, I should say. There she is. That's your surprise. Miss Rhonda. She loves that color right there. And here you are some nail polish that you could use to design your nails. Now, this is a toy. It's a patio set. Now, check this out. This is a doll head. And this is another doll head that you use to decorate her hair. Look at Rhonda with the brush, trying to style the girl's hair. Look at this. It's a little brush and a little head. What kind of styling you going to do with that? She tried it. She tried it in the Dollar Tree. Yes, she did. But look at her face. She's disgusted. And here's a little pony. And you can style the pony's hair too. Okay. She's like, what? A pony? Look at this anchor. I think this is adorable. I wonder, did I get that? And look at this little basket. This is too cute. Now, look at this. Look at this. They have the beads. They've never had them at the store here in Philly. And they're here. They have the round ones and the square ones. But these are galvanized football, a galvanized soccer ball. And they also have a galvanized sign with a dog paw on it that says love. And they have another one that's just a paw. I think that is so adorable. I wonder if they get any of those. I like those. Then you have the truck, the galvanized truck. Yes. Then you have another galvanized truck. I think those are adorable. Then you have the cloud. And then you have the round thing. Whatever that is. I don't know. Did I get any of those? Then you have the little wood fish. Those are cute. I like those. I wonder, did I get those? And then you got the whales. Those are really cute. Oh, they got these. They finally got those in. And they got these planks in. Man, I had a lot to choose from. Did I get any of these things? Look at this rose gold galvanized cross. Isn't that adorable? Wow. Look at this circle. They always have the circles, though. Look at the one with the hello. Hey, how you doing? Look at this one. Isn't that cute? I wonder, did I get that? That is so cute. Son, take me to the beach. Take me, take me. I think I showed these before. I wonder, did I get those today, though? I don't know. Let's see. They have these. They hadn't been having these in, but they have it with the star on it, and they also have it with the oval shape. Did you ever know Dollar Tree had harmonicas? Did you know that? I never knew that. And this is a play kitchen set. They even got a little play stove. Here are the signs for the 4th of July. Yes, they are showing off with the 4th of July. So you might want to go to the Dollar Tree and get you some before it's all gone. That's the flag. That's the flag. And that's a poster with the flag. With that particle board. Look at the gnome to the right. Here he is again. Look at the gnome. And these are some more things that are made out of wood at the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to surprise y'all today with Rhonda in the video. And she was walking around the store with me, helping me look for things. She is hilarious. I need to let y'all know she is hilarious. But look at these seahorses and the big boards. Those are so cute. And look at these signs here. And those are the solid wood. Those are solid. Those are not particle board. Those are solid. Now, these are different. These are particle board. But you could do stuff with these things as well and use the wood on those as well. Look at this. I think that's adorable. I wonder did I get that. And the pillows. Aren't they cute? Yes. And I like these because they have the beads on them. And you can remove whatever's on there. Like you can remove that beach. You can remove that clam shell right there. You can remove the starfish on the first one that I showed you. I like them because they have removable things on there. So you can remove that starfish on that one as well. I like that because you can do other things with them. So thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget to say, hey, Rhonda. And we'll see you during our next trip to the Dollar Tree. All right. God bless. Thanks for stopping by.